How to apply for a Discover It cashback credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Discover It cashback credit card and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, Discover It cashback credit card. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now over here, you will see the option of apply now. Go ahead and click on this option. Now you have to fill this. Type in your zip code, last 4 digits of your SSN, and then your date of birth. After you fill this, you can click on continue. Now from here, you can apply for the card. First up, you can go ahead and select the card design. Then you have to provide your information. Type in your name, home address, date of birth, employment status, monthly housing, likewise rent, and agree with the terms and conditions of the card. Go through the details of the card, and once you are satisfied, you can check in for the option of agree to terms and condition. Ensure all the details you provided are correct, then you can submit this form. And just with that, you have applied for the card. So this way you can easily apply for Discover It cashback credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.